Hey Tapswap fam, welcome back to channel. Hope you guys are doing good. First of all, make sure you guys join my Telegram because I'm going to share every crypto airdrop. You can see in front of you guys I have many airdrops, so which is I'm going to share on my Telegram. So make sure you guys join my Telegram. So let's go to the best crypto portfolio second video code. I don't know why Tapswap did always with me, bro. This is wrong. Okay, the code is unstoppable. The code is unstoppable. UNSTOPPABLE. Okay, I'm just going to put this code, and the code is shows invalid code. I don't know what happened with Tapswap, always new problems, but okay, let's put in capital letters. Is also shows on invalid code, invalid answer. I don't know, bro. I just watched it 3 to 4 times. If you know the code, please right now comment right now, please, bro. I just watched this video 2 to 3 times and it shows on just I found unstoppable. Okay, the final code is unstoppable. Try it until we get 400k tokens. I don't know what happened with Tapswap. I hope we will get 400k token, and subscribe for and just join my Telegram and just try it unstoppable.